Good day, everyone. My name is Sheena Marie Helena Montenegro, SND, and I will be talking about the special foods for maintenance of health during aging, which includes dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, plant sterols, and prebiotics and probiotics. But I will only be discussing these two special foods, and the rest will be discussed by my teammates. First is the dietary fiber. As we get older, our digestive system slows down. The walls of the gastrointestinal tract thicken and the contractions are slower and fewer, which may lead to constipation. That's why upon aging, food rich in fiber is very important, for it promotes proper digestion by moving food through the digestive tract. Dietary fiber also helps in lowering the risk of heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, as well as lowering blood cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation. We have two types of dietary fiber. First is the soluble fiber, which helps in lowering blood cholesterol by lowering the LDL, or the so-called bad cholesterol. It can be found from the beans, oats, flax seeds, oat bran, and fruits. Next is the insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and appears to help food pass more quickly to the stomach and the intestine. So it can be found to whole wheats and whole grains. Next is omega-3 fatty acids. So optimum nutrition is an important determinant of healthier aging, reducing the risk of disability, maintaining mental and physical function, and thus ensuring a better quality of life. So as a person age, the dietary intake and nutrient absorption also decline. So it increased the risk of malnutrition, morbidity, and mortality. That's why specific nutrients such as omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, or this PUFA, may have a potential effect that might prevent and reducing the comorbidities in older adults. So what makes omega-3 fats special? They are special because they are an integral part of the cell membranes throughout the body and affect the function of the cell receptors in these membranes. They are also the starting point for making hormones that regulate blood clotting, contraction, and relaxation of artery walls, and inflammation. They also bind the receptors in the cell that regulate genetic function, and due to these effects, it has been shown that omega-3 fatty acid help in preventing heart diseases, stroke, control lupus, eczema, rheumatoid arthritis, and many more. Also, it has been found out that it slows down the progression of the so-called macular degeneration, or AMD, a condition that leads to poor vision. It also reduces the risk, according to the recent studies, the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and keep the brain alert. So there are three fats that are a key family of polyunsaturated fats. When you say polyunsaturated fat, it is a type of the dietary fat that is a healthier fat, along with monounsaturated fat. So there are three main omega-3s. First is the eicosapentaenoic acid, or the EPA, the docosahexaenoic acid, or the DHA, and last will be the alpha-linolenic acid, or the ALA. So these are the hints of their food sources. The figures are the hints of their food sources. When you say eicosapentaenoic acid, or EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, or the DHA, they are mainly from fish, and so they are sometimes called the marine omega-3s. And the alpha-linolenic acid, or the ALA, are commonly found in Western diets, found in vegetable oils, nuts, flax seeds, flaxseed oils, leafy greens, and some animal fat, especially those animals that are grass-fed. The human body generally uses ALA for energy, and conversion of EPA and DHA is very limited. So these are the food that is high in alpha-linolenic acid. Top 10 most high foods with alpha-linolenic acid: the flaxseed oil, the hemp seed, the soybean oil, and more. And that would be all. I hope you learned something, and thank you very much.